In this lecture, we will learn how to count blank cells in our database. To count the blank cells only, we will use count blank function. For example, in this database, we have some blank cells available. So I want to count it. So instead of manually count, I will use count blank function. I will delete this first, equal count blank bracket. So I will select the range from C4 to C22, then bracket close and press enter. And you can see I got the answer 5. So it's mean there are 5 blank cells available in my database. So if I delete any other number, then you can see I got the answer 6. So right now there are 6 blank cells. And if I enter any number or any text here, for example, I will write it here any number first, and you can see I got the answer 5. If I enter any text here, for example, I will write it here ink, and you can see Excel show me the 4 blank cells. So it's mean Excel consider blank cells for those in which we do not enter anything. So in this way you can count blank cells from your database. To count the blank cells, we will use another method, which is insert function command. I will delete this. Then I will go to the formulas ribbon and click on the insert function. Then dialog box will appear, and in the search box you can write it here count blank and then click go. And here you can find count blank function and then click OK. And dialog box appear, and here you will select your range, which is from C4 to C22, and then click OK. You can see I got the answer 4, which is the same answer which I got it from method 1. So if I delete these cells, and here you can see I got the answer 8. So it means right now we have 8 blank cells in our database. In this way, you can use count blank function to count your blank cells in the database.